Namaskar. Again, I am Dr. PKV Patnaik. Uh, as a part of health issues awareness, particularly the diseases, what we call non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, cancers, uh, COPD, CKD, stroke, cardiovascular diseases. Uh, I will be speaking on each and every aspect of these non-communicable diseases. Today, I would speak something on oral cancer, and oral cancer is the commonest cancer in all population in India, and it is told around 27 to 30% cases of total cancer cases what are occurring in India is of type for oral cancer. So, if you can control the oral cancer, you can reducing around 25 to 30% of cancer burden uh, in India. And we are observing the percentage of oral cancer is either remaining constant or somewhere it is increasing. If you go to any cancer hospital, uh, you will see more cancer cases of oral cancer type or head and neck cancer, and you will get huge rush in the head and neck and oral division of cancer wing. So, oral cancer again is a, you can see it is a visible. It is not that cancer that you can't see. Like earlier I told that the many cancers which are there in abdomen or the blood cancer or bone cancer, or you can't see those cancer. But here, like breast cancer, oral cancer also, you can see standing in front of mirror, putting torchlight, and you can visualize the cancer in your oral cavity. But still, we see that many oral cancer, around 60 to 70% of oral cancer cases are detected late when metastasis of disease or cancer has already happened. From cancer cell has gone to the nearby lymph node and it has gone to distant places. At this stage, it becomes very difficult to control or cure that patient in spite of doing very advanced operation, doing radiation, chemo. Patient hardly live for 2 to 3 years. But in spite of this, that this cancer you can see from naked eye, we are not taking any advice or we are not seeking advice whenever we develop a slightest lesion in our oral cavity. That shows how much we are ignorant about our health and diseases. We all know that oral cancer uh, can occur to anybody, but mostly 90% of all oral cancer cases are attributable to the use of tobacco or any tobacco products. So we know which or who is the culprit of oral cancer. We know is the highest number of cancer cases in India are of oral or head and neck cancer. We know the cause. We know these are the cancer which are visible. We can see those cancers in naked eye in a very state. In spite of that, the death rate amongst all cancer cases, the oral cancer death rate is highest because we in India, around 40 to somewhere 60 70% people are using tobacco, any form. Not only using tobacco, they are using different product of tobacco, gutka, pan masala. Even though there is no tobacco, this company they claim that there is no tobacco in the pan masala. Even I will tell, pan masala is also cause cancer. Even supari, you know, the supari causes micro injury in your oral mucosa. And if you take supari in pan for a very long time, and that supari causes injuries to your oral mucosa, and repeated injury in your oral cavity leads to fibrosis, and the submucal fibrosis develop. If there is also chuna in that pan, that helps in development of injuries, and which leads to the submucous fibrosis. And submucous fibrosis is a precancerous stage, and anybody can develop cancer in due course. What happens in submucous fibrosis when you take? There is a long history of pan taking or gutka taking or pan masala or supari taking. Because of fibrosis, you can't open your mouth fully. The oral cavity full of fibrosed white bands, fibrotic bands. It you can't open your entire mouth. If you a normal mouth can admit these four fingers. Those people who have developed some mucous fiber, they can't open their even two finger, even one finger. You can't enter in their oral cavity. So that is the main cause, the tobacco use, smoking, alcohol, unhygienic oral cavity. You are not taking proper hygiene to the oral cavity. Long-standing fungal infection. There are several causes. Even long-standing taking of steroid and immunosuppressant drug may also cause cancer. Sometimes the ill-fitted denture causes a repeated injury or friction to oral mucosa, and that may later on. Poor nutrition. If are not taking proper nutrition, all malnutrited patients, they suffer more oral cancer. And there are some chances of infection causing oral cancer, particularly papilloma virus. Human papilloma virus also may cause oral cancer, as it causes cancer in cervix in female. So here the oral cancer is not confined to only male. It can occur in equal number in male and female. In our country, particularly in the rural and tribal area, if you go, you will get equal percentage of male and female using tobacco. You may not get that number in the urban area. More male are using tobacco product. So that's the reason why the oral cancer incidence in male is higher than female. But rural area, it is almost equal. And this cancer can occur in any age. Even we have seen of age of 15, 16 years boy, a girl using tobacco since last 4, 5 years or from childhood, they are coming to the cancer hospital with the cancer, uh, ultimately diagnosis suffering from cancer. So tobacco use in any form, chewing of the betel, pan masala, supari, alcohol, poor oral hygiene, these are the main causes of oral cancer. 90%. 10% there may be, you may get oral cancer cases, they have never used tobacco in their lifetime, but they have suffered. Maybe various reasons, maybe as I mentioned, the poor nutrition or human papilloma virus infection or poor denture or poor oral hygiene. So the oral cancer, as I told, is a commonest cancer in our country. Cause is not known in 90% cases, and accordingly we can prevent oral cancer. For prevention, I would say that, uh, of course, stopping tobacco use in any form, stopping pan masala use, stopping gutka use, stopping supari and pan use can, to a large extent, prevent development of oral cancer, provided today you are normal. If you are living from today and your oral cavity is normal, there is no lesion. If you leave these products, using this product, 90% you are safe. You will not have oral cancer. How it can be detected early? As I have told that oral cancer is a visible cancer. You can see it standing before mirror, आँखि रे आपण देखि परिबे कैंसर गुराको पाटी भितरे. And thing is that when we should know something about how these cancers and what are the signs and symptoms of cancer, how it can be seen. Uh, when we talk about the oral cavity, it is buccal mucosa, पाटी भितर जो म्यूकसा लाइन है, म्यूकोसल लाइन अच्छी, lips, cheek, lower lip, upper lip, junction between the mucosa and buccal mucosa and gum, tongue, hard palate and soft palate. So these are the oral, we call as a whole the oral cavity. So you can see here a person has got early lesion. I can't say early lesion because unless we do the biopsy, we can't know what stage. You can see here a tongue cancer lesion. Then you can see here a patient having advanced lesion inside oral cavity. I don't know how people neglect themselves and allow this type the cancer to go up to that level. You can see early leukoplakia, white patch inside oral cavity here. These are very common, and so if we speak about different signs and symptom of oral cavity or cancer, what we should look for, uh, I can say, number one, by properly washing your oral cavity or mouth, you do a proper washing, ପାଣିରେ ଭଲକିନା ଧୋଇକି ପାଟିଟା, you stand before mirror, put a torch, जोटाकि लाइट बेसी आसुव भल आसुव, पुराणा टर्च बैटरी नथिव सेमता टर्च माने वेल लाइटेड टर्च आप पार्टी भितर फोकस करंतु जमती मु कही ब्रेथ सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन ये ओरल सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ ओरल कैविटी आप पार्टी भितर टर्च देख पकातु जीभ को इंस्पेक्ट करंतु साइड ऑफ टंग यू इंस्पेक्ट both the side, base of the tongue, floor of the tongue, if required you put your finger, retract your tongue to one side, put the torch light and see the deepest part of the tongue, both the side, floor of the tongue. Then you see the gingiva, जोरा दांत जो लगी इंटायर ऑल दांतर जिजा भीतर बाहर दीटाक देखिए बोथ द साइड. देन buccal mucosa inside cheek, both the side. Then you लिप्स को उठेगी पूरा उठाई तल लिप्स को पूरा डाउन करके आप कौन सी पोर्शन छाड़े द ऑब्जेक्टिव इज यू डोंट लीव एनी पोर्शन, पुट गुड लाइट टॉर्च लाइट एंड कौन आप देखिए कौन देखा चाहते देखिए इज देयर एनी एबनॉर्मलिटी इन लुक पर्टिकुलरली कलर, whether it is looking like a white patch or red patch or there is a small ulcer or big ulcer which is not healing, बा कौन सी swelling or enlargement अच्छी, surface रे change अच्छी, smooth नहीं rough अच्छी surf आप देखी पारिबे surface टा smooth नहीं, पाटिरु बेसी salivation होची नाଳ बहुची lot of salivation और saliva जमारू बाहरुनी lack of salivation, दांत गुरा पड़ी जाऊ विदाउट apparent cause, ब्लीडिंग पॉइंट कोठी थिबो, आपनकर होर्सनेस ऑफ वॉइस थिबो थाई पारे, पार्टी फिटई पाउ नथिबे, सबम्यूकस फाइब्रोसिस जोटा चारि आंगुठी should allow, but if you are not allowing 4th or 3 or 2 submucous fibrosis, white patches दुस्थुओ लिकोप्लाकिया में कहते and submucous fibrosis भी धड़ा धड़ा बेंड दुसे, sensation altered थिबो टांगरे, upon you can palpate these cervical glands and you can know whether there is any enlargement of any lymph node. यदि कौन सी पेन परसिस्टेंट पेन ही हाड़े होती मैंडिबुल कहती हाड़े आप चिपिक देखंतु, there is any swelling, any gland in the neck, front sides, just supraclavicular, even back, posterior cervical glands and all. तो एवरा आप इवेन आप हाथ साबुन रे भलकिना धोईकी आप पार्टी भितर जो आपको टिके अल्सर दुसी बा इंडुरेटेड अच्छी बा रफ दुसी आप आंगुठी पसैकी फील करि पारंती, हे पारे आप जो दुसुची सेटा गोटे छोट अल्सर, यू आर लुकिंग ए वेरी स्मॉल अल्सर देयर which is not healing, but when you put your finger and try to palpate the base of the ulcer, you feel lot of induration, बहुत टाण है कि से जगहटा अच्छी एंड जोटा कि देखी पार नथिले आप किंतु जो तो आंगुठी पसेले एंड पाल्पेट कले से जगहटा आप इंडुरेटेड एरिया बा टाण एरियाटा आप पार्टी भितर देखिले जानिले दिस इज वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन ऑफ कैंसर आ जदि एटा पेनलेस अच्छी पेन नहीं तो इट इज मोस्ट लाइकली कैंसर पेन थे it may be due to inflammation or infection you do a course of antibiotics with anti-inflammatory drugs and see whether there is improvement or not any ulcer in oral cavity in spite of treatment if it is not healing within 2 weeks you should go for test so these are the thing you should know कि आमे ओरल कैविटी को मासकु थोड़े थोड़े एटलिस्ट भलकिना पाटी धोई की निजे टॉर्च पके की मिरर सामने एग्जामिन करू ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ ओरल कैविटी देखू कौन सी पार्ट छाड़ू नहीं आंगुठी पसे की पाल्पेट करू जीभ भी देखू जीभर सेंसेशन बा टेस्ट आम जापारु कि नहीं एंड कलर देखू रेड व्हाइट पैच और अल्सर अच्छी कि नहीं से युरा को आप जापर देखिपर बट सी मु गोटे पिक्चर देखली सब जाणिकी भी विजिबल कैंसर दिस इज वन कैंसर विच यू कैन सी आम के लेट रे जाऊँ एंड so we can detect oral cancer in earliest stage even in situ माने कैंसर आप कुआडे जाइनी सेठी अछि सेही जगह रे it has not gone to basal membrane even it has not crossed it is on epithelium आपको in situ cancer कहती even larger cancer भी यदि बड़ एरिया रे अछि बट बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन को क्रॉस करनी वंस बेसमेंट मेम्ब्रेन को क्रॉस करीगला इट बिकम्स इनवेजिव कैंसर आउ इनसिटू रुए देन डिपेंडिंग ऑन क्रॉस करी केते दूर जाए जाइची लोकल अच्छी ना लिम्फ नोड को जाइची डिस्टेंस में देन स्टेजिंग करा हुए सो मोस्ट ऑफ द ओरल कैंसर इफ पीपल आर अवेयर इफ पीपल डू monthly examination of oral can be detected at the stage of in situ and when you detect a cancer in situ immediately you take the advice of your doctor go to any cancer hospital or any district hospital do a scrap cytology ask to do a scrap cytology just upuru epithelial cell गुरा को नहीं कि स्लाइड रेट स्टेन करके देखती whether there is any cancer यदि किसी indurated जानी पाउचंती बा टंग रे you go for the excisional biopsy or punched biopsy जोटा कि very confirmatory there is lymph node enlarge अच्छी you go for CT scan and all to know how far the lesion has gone to the lymph nodes. But most important, if we tell as far as the prevention is concerned, is the commonest cancer which are almost 100% preventable. If you stop taking tobacco, pan masala, pan, gutka, supari, you keep the hygiene of oral cavity दी थर दिन को ब्रश करंतु क्लीन रखंतु पार्टी रे कौन सी फंगल बा बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ कर दिंतु डू द लिस्टरीन माउथ गार्गल बा माउथ वॉश बा हेक्सिडिन आप थरे बा दी थर कर पारिबे टंग को क्लीन रखंतु एंड डेफिनेटली you will not suffer from oral cancer and मन रखंतु ओरल कैंसर जो स्टेज 2, 3, 4 को चल जाइए the treatment becomes very difficult. Most of the oral cancer surgery, if disease has gone advanced, recur करे. ଆପଣ ଯେତେ ଭଲ ସର୍ଜରୀ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ ସେ ଆଲସରଟାକୁ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଏଇଠୁ ମସଲ୍ସ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ବୋନ୍ଟାକୁ ରିମୁଭ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଟୋଟାଲି, ମାଣ୍ଡିବୁଲେକ୍ଟମି କୁହନ୍ତି, ଇଭେନ୍ ନେକ୍ର ସବୁ ଗ୍ଲାଣ୍ଡ ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଡିସେକ୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ट्रेकियार पैराट्रेकियल नोड गुड़ा को सब बाहर कर दिंतु आ रहा कौन आप टोटल गालटा वन फेस एरिया पूरा पड़ेगा ना आपंकर बोन ग्राफ्टिंग कराई रखा हुए स्किन ग्राफ्टिंग मसल ग्राफ्टिंग रिपेयर करा हुए रिपेयर कला परे भी आपंक डिसफिगरमेंट ऑफ फेस रह जाए एंड लाइफ लॉन्ग यहाँ रह जाए समटाइम कैंसर एते ब्लॉक करे फुट पाइप को कि नाक बाटे पाटी बाटू आम राइल्स ट्यूब दे कि रखू इवेन निश्वास जदि नहीं पाऊनी गोटे टेकियोस्टोमी करके कणा करके टेकियारे आम ट्यूब देव दो सोजे सो टबाको लिव डू रेगुलर इंस्पेक्शन ओवरऑल कैव एते दूर को जीवा कहीं आपको पूरा फेसटा कटा हो डिसफिगरमेंट हो ऑपरेशन पर भी रिकरेंस हो देन जो तो रिकर करे आउ ऑपरेशन करी हुए नहीं सेकेंड टाइम ऑपरेशन करी हुए नहीं एंड पीपुल आर पुट अंडर पैलिएटिव केयर ये खाली जस्ट सपोर्टिव केयर देवे इवेन आम देखीचु द पेशेंट हु आर इन पैलिएटिव केयर बिकॉज ऑफ फेल्यूर ऑफ सर्जरी और रिकरेंस ऑफ लीजन पार्टी भितर गैमट हो जाती पोको हो जाती पोको बाहा करिया पड़े कहीं खाइबा गुरा जो खाती से रही जाए एंड से मुँह धोई पारती नहीं सब पिकेरियस इट इज ऑलमोस्ट गोइंग टू हेल यही अवस्था आस जाए एंड हो भी यही जुगरे आम जो एजुकेशन लेवल को एत आगे पहुँचेलु पीपुल आर कमिंग विथ फर्स्ट टाइम विथ दिस टाइप ऑफ फाइंडिंग हु नीड्स palliative care only you can't do anything इन पचारा जना पड़ी पिला दिन टबाको यूज कर सो फ्रेंड्स लेट अस टेक ए प्लेस टुडे कि टबाकोर कौन सी प्रोडक्ट पान मसाला गुटका गुआ आम यूज करूँ नहीं जदि करुचु आज छाड़देबू पार्टी हाइजीन मेंटेन करूँ मासक थरे आम पार्टी इंस्पेक्ट करूँ जमती मु कहली कौन सी लीजन आप देखिले इमीडिएटली विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम आप डॉक्टर परामर्श नियंतु यू टेक द एडवाइस ऑफ डॉक्टर एंड गेट एप्रोप्रिएट ट्रीटमेंट कहीं मुझे जानी ओरल कैंसर जब इन सिटू डिटेक्शन है इवन इन स्टेज 1 it is curable. It is curable. Your life may go beyond 5 to 10 years, even more, and you can lead a normal, healthy life. So, tobacco रो व्यवहार नहीं, regular inspection, oral hygiene, stop alcohol और को यदि alcohol tobacco दीटा को मिसी गला, then chances oral cavity बहुत बढ़ जाए. And early advice from a doctor will save your life, will save आम देखीचु ओरल कैंसर है कि लोक रियून इकोनॉमिकली ऑलमोस्ट रियूंड हो जाती एंड गोटे रिच लोक बीपीएल लेवल को बता तक पड़े आसी एंड in spite of that huge expenditure on treatment patient को बचे पारा है बचे ही नहीं so oral cancer आज ये तक मुझे कहली and I hope that all the viewers will follow and accordingly they will give the message to people, their friends, their family circle, so that oral cancer को आमे कमाई पारिबु। थैंक यू वेरी मच।